came here last year, and there was a lot of rain. We had a lot of rainfall, and it was quite flooded. There's a little waterfall in here. It's very nice to look at when we have a heavy rain. It's quite amusing to see. They do also water rafting here. They pick up people in Cairns and they take it here. They launch their raft somewhere there, and I think they go all the way to Lake Placid, which we're going to show you later after here.
Yeah.
So this side's going to Cairns, and that part of the river goes up to Kuranda, where the Barron Gorge. And you can see in the distance there's a cable wire. That's the cable wire of Skyrail, and it's somewhere there is the train track. You catch the train from Cairns to Kuranda. Surprise Creek Waterfall. Just the end of this bridge is the Cairns Hydro electric station.